Hello guys, good evening. How are you all today? Today is Thursday night and it's night time, it's bedtime. Before I go to sleep, I just want to ask how are you all today? How many days? It's already December. Today is 27. 3 more days and it's already December. It's less than 1 month before Christmas. Anyway, I just want to say have a good night's sleep everyone, and I just want to remind you that we need to taking care of ourselves, prioritize our health, especially to those 40 and above, because while we're growing old, our internal organ became weak. Eat healthy, watch out our diet, limit the oily food, the salty food, the sweets, the carb, and the red meat. If we want to live long, we need to eat healthy vegetable and fruits. Anyway guys, good night and sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. It's weekend again. Tomorrow is Friday. It's going weekend again. This coming December, we gonna be busy. Every week there is Christmas party there, Christmas party here. Every week has Christmas party celebration. And I miss to celebrate Christmas in Philippines, because in the Philippines the Christmas there is very enjoy. But here in UAE, only the expat is celebrating Christmas. The local here, they don't have Christmas. Anyway guys, I'm sleepy na. I need to sleep. I need to rest I need to sleep. I try to sleep 8 hours every night, so that my body will not weak when I wake up in the morning. I can have energy to for another day work. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.